Let go of all your burdens today. Forget everything that happened. Forget all your problems for a moment. Here, there is only peace waiting for you. Let's calm our minds for a moment. Take a deep breath and forget everything. Leave all your sadness, difficulties, and disappointments of today. Leave the noise of the city behind. Imagine neon lights, car horns, and endless notifications that slowly fade until they disappear. Imagine you are standing in the middle of a forest. The air is very cold. Feel sharp, as if this is the cleanest breath you have taken in the past few years. In front of you, a small log cabin nestled among the giant pines. The windows glow with a soft yellow light, like lanterns waiting just for you. As you walk towards it, the trees, the whispering pines, sway gently. They are not just trees. They are the guardians of this silence. They whisper to the wind, telling the world that for tonight, you are not to be disturbed. You reach the door. The handle feels so cold, but as you step inside, a wave of warmth envelops you. The scent hits you immediately, the dry, earthy scent of cedar, and faintly, the crackling sound of a beautiful campfire. Take off your heavy coat, let it fall. You are safe now. The floorboards beneath your feet creak softly, a familiar and comforting sound. The cabin is small, intimate, and utterly silent. In the corner, the stone fireplace holds a dancing flame. Watch the embers. See how they glow, pulsing like a slow and steady heartbeat. There is no past here. There is no future. There is only this warmth and the darkening shadows on the wooden walls. You sit in a comfortable chair by the fire. The chair feels soft and warm, supporting every muscle that has been tense for too long. Your shoulders droop. Your hands rest heavily in your lap. Outside, the storm is getting stronger, but it can't reach you. You watch the snowflakes through the glass, accompanied by a cup of hot coffee, spinning in the darkness like little stars. The pine trees outside are whispering louder now, a rhythmic hum that sounds like a lullaby. Shh, sleep, my child. The warmth from the fireplace spreads. It moves from your toes up to your knees, filling your chest with a heavy golden peace. You feel as if you are floating on a sea of cedars and starlight. The fire is now a small blaze, turning into a fiery crimson. The room is getting darker, and your eyelids can no longer be held. It's okay. Let your eyes close. The forest is watching over you. This cabin is protecting you. The world is at peace, and so are you. As the last embers fade, you drift deeper and deeper into the silent heart of the whispering pine forest. Good night. Sleep tight.